Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of spending hours creating presentations manually, then this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Slides AI, an awesome tool that helps you create presentations in just a few clicks using the power of AI. We'll dive into what Slides AI is, how to use it, and why it can be a game changer for your workflow. Now let's get started. So what exactly is Slides AI? In simple terms, it's a tool that uses artificial intelligence to help you create professional-looking slide decks in minutes. You just provide the content or main points, and Slides AI will automatically design and format the slides for you, complete with beautiful layouts, fonts, and visuals. This is perfect for anyone, whether you're a business professional, a teacher, or a student who needs to create presentations quickly but still wants them to look polished and engaging. Alright, so let's head to the slidesai.io. Now, as you can see here, it says, Install Slides AI for Google Slides. So click on that and it will take you to the Google Workspace Marketplace and click on the blue button which says Install. After you went through the installation process, open New tab and type in http://slides.new to create a blank presentation. Now after that, the website will take you to the Google presentation. Once you're click on Extensions. On the top, choose Slides AI and click on Edit Slides with Slides AI. Okay, so now as you can see, we have here three options. The first one says Create, the second one Remix, and the last one Design. So let's begin from the start. Here it says Slide Title. If you don't have any of how you should name your presentation project, here you can see it says, if left empty, AI will generate a title. So basically, Slides AI got you covered. So because I have an idea for presentation project example, I'll name the project by my will. And here it says slide text, so I'm going to put a random text based on explanation of AI in the future. Here, as you see, you can choose in layout, so I'm going to choose all AI-powered design. And also I'm going to choose in simple light style. Now, if you scroll a little bit down, you can choose a slide to import. But because my priority is creating, I'm just going to create my own one. Now, if you head over to Remix, you can see here additional instructions, and here you can see a text which says, you can ask AI to specially focus on or rewrite the text for a particular audience. So I'm going to type in, focus on detailing the text, and I'm going to choose the same layout, which I did on previous option. And the last option says Design. Here you can choose the first, second, and third form of texts, and here you can choose colors however you want. So now let's head back over to Create and press down below on Create Slide button. And wait until everything is processed. And boom! There you go. Here's the AI-generated project which you created with tools which Slides AI provides. Now let's go to the Remix to see what happens next. So I'm going to put instructions and choose layouts. Okay, so that's the remixed presentation project that I created based on those paragraphs. And that's it. This was a tutorial and presentation of Slides AI. If you found this video fun, don't forget to hit thumbs up and subscribe for more tech wisdom. I wish you good luck on creating a project, and I'll see you in the next video.